To replace a battery on a key fob for an Audi A6. It's 2021 Audi A6. It should look something like that. If you've tried, you'll realise that this is an absolute pain to try and replace, okay? Which is why I'm creating a video on it. So first thing to do, press that button down there. So you press that button down there, press it down, and the key comes out, okay? Now with a lot of cars, you can then just stick that in and pry it open, but not with this one. Oh no, that'd be too easy. In there, if I can show you, in there, you can't see it. I'm going to try with a light. I might struggle again. No, can't even see it with a light. Oh, there you go. You see in there, there's a kind of a bit that's a little bit grayer. I think it's because I slightly damaged it. But essentially, you need to push that up. And you can see it's probably about a centimetre down. That bit, essentially you're going to be pushing this bit here up. So that bit there, not the grey bit there, but that bit there is going to come up. Okay, as I push it. So you've got to put a screwdriver in there. Yes, you do actually have to use a screwdriver. And it takes a bit of effort and a few swear, whoa, bit of effort and swear words, but I got it right that time. So you push it in, you're going down like about a centimetre. You need to be pushing up, so you should be level with this. You push it up, that comes open. There's your new battery. Stick your battery in there, put that back in, close it off. Thank me later, subscribe to my channel, like the video. It is an absolute pain. Audi, why have you done this? I have no idea, but please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Enjoy replacing your battery in your Audi A6 key fob.